Hey HIST 101 students, Professor Benlow here with a little video to gear you up for what's going to be going on in Unit 5. Okay, so Monday, which will be September 14th, I'll be holding my office hours as usual from 6:30 to 7:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, which will be September 15th, we will be having chat number 5, our very last chat at our regularly scheduled time. I get very sentimental with the last chat. I feel very sad because I love working with you all, and it's always a little bittersweet to have the end of the semester come. But anyway, all right, so your remaining Unit 4 due date, everybody, very important. Remember, Unit 4, very big because of the Unit 4 discussion board. You will have two things due on Tuesday, which will be September 15th. Firstly, you will have your Unit 4 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. Secondly, on September 15th, very important, you have your Unit 4 discussion board responses due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And remember, in your responses, each of your responses must be 100 words in length. So you need to respond to two of your classmates, and each of your response posts must be 100 words in length. And like I said, don't be intimidated by that, because honestly, if you tailor your response to your classmates' post, remember, go beyond, great job, you answered all the questions, I really enjoyed reading your post. Go beyond that. Tailor your post to your classmates' post and answer the 4 questions that you see in the assignment directions. You will be fine and you will have no problem achieving the 100-word goal for each of your posts. Okay, so with that said, Unit 5 due dates, the very last due dates in this semester. Firstly, Friday, which will be September 18th, you will have Unit 5 Determinology due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And then Tuesday, September 22nd, you will have Unit 5 in Telepath due by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. So we are quickly wrapping up the semester, everybody. So work on getting that Unit 4 discussion board in, extremely important assignment. And please do not hesitate to contact me with absolutely any questions. All right, everybody, be well and have a great week.